Hi, this is John with WATI, and I've never ever tried a Dr. Pepper before. Yes, this may sound weird, but when I first got this, I was like, maybe it's just another soda. But my reaction to it was actually pretty interesting. When I first tried this Dr. Pepper soda, I was like, I've never had a flavor like this before. And it was actually pretty enjoyable. So what I like to do is I put this in the fridge, buy the several amount of cans, and just with my meals or just like if I want to have like a normal drink, and even if you want to mix it with a cocktail, this actually does a great job and it tastes good. It's not too sweet, but at the same time, you have this sensation that a new flavor is actually coming. So if you're just trying to have something new, something different, and at the same time, not too sweet, but pretty enjoyable, this Dr. Pepper is actually pretty good in my experience. So this was John with WATI, and that was my point of view.